everyone, my name is Rubab Zehra, lecturer in English at Kausar College for Women, Age 8 to Islamabad. I welcome you all here in this last video of parts of speech. In this video, we will cover the last two parts of speech, that is preposition and interjection. Let's see what we have in the name of preposition here. Okay, as per definition, preposition is a word that is used or that is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in relation, in what relation. The person or the thing denoted by it stands in regard to something else. Now it has three types, but in paper they are given in the form of blanks. But overall, as we are discussing the types of parts of speech, that's why we will discuss these types also. Like in the first place, it has a simple preposition, like for example by, for, of, to, or you can see here in, on, off, at, etc. Now in the second type, we have phrase prepositions. As by definition, group of words. It's actually a group of words used with the force of a single preposition. Means whenever they are used, it means that it is basically fulfilling the requirement of only one preposition, though they are appearing in the form of a phrase, in the form of a group. Like for example, along with, in place of, because of, etc. Now the last part is compound preposition. As the name shows you that it's something that is a combination of two or more than two things. So they are generally used, such type of prepositions, when a prefix is added to a preposition, like for example a noun, an adjective or an adverb is already given, and before it as a prefix you may add some preposition, then it will become a compound preposition. For example, beneath, inside, within, without, etc. Now this is all for preposition, and you know that whenever it will be given in the form of a blank. Like for example, he is negligent of his work. So the right preposition will be of. So this is the particular format in which it is used in the paper. Okay, next we have interjection. It is the last type with no further types at all. Interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feelings or emotions, and they are expressed through certain words. Like for example, this word hurrah, like for example alas, like for example hush, and there are so many other. For example, oh, for example ah, and so many other things like this. So actually they are the words, and they are used in the start of a sentence, and they have an exclamation mark at the end of them. Like for example, hurrah, we have won the match. It is match with the spelling. Okay, be very careful for the spellings. You know, it's the language, so your spellings must be very correct. Okay, then alas, he is dead. Now this is an expression for happiness, this is an expression for sadness, and this is an expression for keeping other quiet. For example, hush, don't make a noise. Like for, oh, I forgot to take my book or bring my book. Ah, it was a sudden surprise, it was a sudden news, or it was a surprising news for me. Now this is it. All the parts of speech are covered, and if you have any query, any problem, do inbox me. And before leaving, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Allah Hafiz. Take care.